Hey, you guys, what's up? Look what we got. We'll unbox it and try it out here in 7 seconds.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness. Been alone too many nights. You came by the other.
Okay. 30 amp twist lock RV adapter. Have to do a little studying on that.
Broken heart. Maybe I won't be sad next Sunday. People running off to work. No one sees how much you hurt. It doesn't matter anyway. Picked up a coffee down the street, the place we always used to meet. It's getting cold.
Okay, guys, I'm going to read the manual, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have studied the manual, the owner's manual. Tells you how to start it in here. Tells you how to start it here. Setup guide. Service guide when you go to change oil or whatever you got to do. Tells you how to start it here. So yeah, so they're definitely not lacking in telling us how to start it. But anyway, we're going to start by getting some gas in there. You're supposed to use 87 octane and above. No E85. You know, no more than 10% ethanol. Let's see here. Fuel gas here, and they also want you to put some stabilizer in there. This is what 1 ounce for every 2.5 gallons, and I've got a 5-gallon jug of gasoline over here that I already put 2 ounces in. So I've already put this in the gasoline in the container. So let's okay, this holds 2.5 gallons, and supposedly it will run 11 hours at 25% power. I believe that's what it said. So on the inside of your owner's manual, it gives you the capacities. There's where it tells about the gasoline, stabilizer treated, 87 octane plus. Okay, apparently this is 2.6 gallons of gas that it holds. They want you to use 10W30 weight oil, and that takes 20 ounces of that. And there it is. Runtime at 25% load, 11 hours. So let's get the oil in.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Okay, so this is 32 ounces. So we want to dump it down to about the 12 mark. So it'll be, and then we got the dipstick to check and make sure. Okay, it's right at the 12. So now let's. Okay, it's got a nice little wheel lock here. Okay, one thing it does not tell you on this, on the quick start thing, is we got to go in and connect the battery cables to the battery. Because I don't want it to run down while it's in storage or before somebody buys it. I saw in a video that this couple was doing the setup here. Also, they must not have read this. Must have just been going by this, because they did not connect the battery. And when they did everything else, and they wouldn't start it. Hold for 3 seconds. They couldn't figure out why the electric starter was not working, but they were able to start with one pole here. So anyway.
This is in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know.
Okay, if you can see what I'm doing there. Okay, of course, red is positive and red to red. These little self-locking nuts.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. I know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Okay, I'll slide that. This has got to go back over top of the battery. Okay, we're about ready here. Okay, we got gas in it. We've got oil in it. We've got the battery connected. Okay, I'm just gonna look in here and just double check that we are ready to fire it up. You turn the economy switch to off, and on a cold generator, you want to push and hold the switch in for 3 seconds. Yeah, you want to push and hold the starter switch in for 3 seconds. Put this to. If the generator is warm, we could just go to run and start it. So let's. I've got the garage door open. I would never run this inside a closed garage or anywhere else enclosed. Let's see if it starts. That is quiet. You're supposed to let it warm up a few seconds before then you put it to run. Okay, I'm gonna go find something to put a load on it, maybe a microwave or air dryer or something. Be right back. think we are good to go. I've seen a lot of good ratings on this generator, so we should. And we've only got the one air conditioner. I think it's 13.5 thousand BTU, so that will more than handle it, and probably run run the microwave at the same time. But okay, we're getting super close. We're picking up the RV. Okay, today is Saturday. We're picking up the RV Wednesday morning. They're gonna give me a weight distribution hitch, so that'll be all set up. Still waiting for the topper. That's still probably 6 weeks out before that arrives. But yeah, 3 more weeks, you guys. We're gonna be living in that RV. So hey, share this with the like-minded person, somebody who might want to buy a generator. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when we publish a video, which I'm going to try to do in the beginning here once every weekend. And then maybe get one during the week too once we get going. But all right, love you guys. We will see you next weekend.